So this week, for week 25 of math, we will be having a review week. So what that means is we will not be doing our live Zooms this week. That does not mean, however, that we won't necessarily be Zooming. So let me explain what's going to be happening. So each day this week, we will cover a different skill, something that we've already learned. We are going to be covering fractions on Monday. We will do money on Tuesday. Wednesday will be multiplication. And Thursday, we will cover time. Friday will be a game day. So you will just get on the Nearpod and do the game that is there. So, how is this going to be a review? Well, each day you will get into Nearpod and you will do the questions, or if you're in school, you'll have the worksheet and you will do the problems. What I will do is at the end of every day, I'm going to check your work like I always do. Let's use Monday as an example. So, Monday, you're going to do that fraction worksheet. I'm going to go home later that night. I'm going to check your work. You're going to come to school on Tuesday. When you open your school on Tuesday, or you'll be at home, when you open that computer, if there is a chat from me, that chat will be a Zoom link. And you and I will meet one on one to work on that skill. So, why am I doing this? Well, because when we do live classes, when all of us are together, sometimes I could miss when you were struggling. If we're one on one, I know I can give you all my attention and I can figure out a way to help you to get better at doing those types of problems. So that's why we're doing this. So again, if I check your work on Monday, on Tuesday, if you open your computer and you see a link, then you are going to meet with me. I'll put a link and I'll put a time. All of the one-on-one Zooms throughout this week will be between 9:30 and 10:15. Each Zoom will be about 10 to 15 minutes, and it'll just give me a chance to work with you, like I said, one on one. And then the idea is by Friday, the reason everybody's going to be doing a game or an activity will because none of us really want to work on the weekend. So that is why. That way, after you do your Nearpod on Thursday, if I have to meet with anybody on Friday, we'll do that. But you'll still do that game. So, what happens if you get a Zoom link? Well, if you get a Zoom link, you're going to log in, we're going to work together. Let's just say on Tuesday you open a computer, you have a Zoom link. You still have to do Tuesday's Nearpod. And the reason is it's not a punishment. The reason is because we are doing different skills every day. So in order for me to see what you know, you have to do all of the Zoom links. So, what if you come to school on Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday and you open up your computer and you don't have a Zoom link for me? Well, that means that you did most of the work right and you don't need any help. Now, I am not expecting perfection, but if we're missing a lot of the problems, then that's showing me you're confused. You need a little bit of extra help. So that's how we will do this week. Again, if you don't get a Zoom link, doesn't mean it's perfect, means you're doing pretty well. If you are getting the Zoom link, please do not look at this as, I'm terrible at math or it's a punishment. It is just me wanting to touch base one on one because I don't always get to do that when we're working in a whole class Zoom or even when we're face to face. As far as next week goes, we will go back to the live Zooms. This is a 1 week deal. I just want to check in with everybody, see where everybody's at, see how everybody feels with these things. So don't forget, Monday you'll be doing fractions. Tuesday, I believe I said multiplication. I'm sorry, Tuesday money, Wednesday multiplication, and Thursday we'll be doing time with everybody doing some kind of review game on Friday. Questions, comments, or concerns, please reach out with a hand raise or by using chat. And you don't have to wait for a Zoom link. If you're doing these problems and you are completely confused, get a hold of us ahead of time. We can Zoom immediately. So if you need the help, you don't have to make mistakes to get it. You can ask. All right, guys, I hope this proves to be a worthwhile math class for you this week. I'm looking forward to seeing what exactly it is you know.